Hello guys, welcome you all in a new video, and this video is totally dedicated for the consumers who is using Samsung Android smartphone. And this video is totally dedicated for Samsung any series like A series, J series, F series, M series. And if your Samsung Android smartphone is locked due to forgotten pin pattern and password lock, and you had applied the hard reset method and you have hard resetted of your Samsung Android smartphone, then after hard reset, when you will switch on your phone, you will get a such type of display where you will get welcome display and language option, start button and emergency call button. So after factory data and hard reset, let's check what happened to your handset, either your smartphone unlocked or not. So follow all the process here. One more thing I'd like to tell you, your phone should be connected to the Wi-Fi network. So here you can see I have already connected my phone to the Wi-Fi network. Now after that, you have to tap on this next option. Now you can see here after the factory data and hard reset, it's again asking your pin pattern or password lock. So but here you can see you will get another option that is showing here, use my Google account instead. Simply you have to tap on this one. It will switch to a new page. Here you can see it's asking your Gmail ID and password. So if you have remember your Gmail ID and password, you can feed here. But if you don't have your Gmail ID and password, you can see here you're not getting any escape option on your page. So first of all, this lock is known as FRP Lock, which is generated by Google to secure your smartphone when your phone is installed. So here in this video, I will tell you how you can bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone of any series. So first of all, you will have to come to the starting page here. Now, first of all, you have to change your language from English India to English US. Now after that, you have to tap on this emergency call. You have to tap on emergency call, and here you will have to dial *#0*#. When you will dial *#0*#, you will switch to a new page. Here you will get a lots of options on this page, but here you will have to go with the option that will show here sensor. You will come on this page. Here you will get some synchronizing option on your phone display, but here you will have to tap on this display option, and here you will have to wait for minimum 10 records on your phone display. So here you can see the data is coming on the display. So minimum 10 data you have to appear on your phone display. After that, you can easily go with the back option and reach to the starting page here. So here you can see the minimum 10 data has been appeared on my phone display. After that, simply you have to reach to the starting page. Now after that, you have to tap on this start option, agree to all and agree from here. Now after that, from here you have to tap on this agree. Now you have to come on this page where the Wi-Fi network is showing here. Now here you will have to tap on this add network option, and here you will have to make some changes. First of all, you will have to scroll down and you have to change the settings, some settings here. Here you will have to dial the code that is 999, and you will have to repeat the same in gateway. Here you will have to type the same as it is, whatever is showing in your display. And again here you have to type the same. Now after that, you will have to come on this setting option. And first of all, you will have to scroll down and come to the option that will show here reset to default setting, and reset the keyboard setting first. Now erase the personalized by dictation, go to the back option here. Now after that, you have to scroll up and come to the option that will show here language and types. Here again you will have to change the language. Firstly, you have to switch off this English India and switch on this. Go to the back option. Again you have to go to the back. Now after that, you have to come on this text shortcut. You have to tap here add option, and here you have to type in capital FRP S24 Ultra, and here you will have to type that USSD what you had used, and you have to tap on this add option. Go to the back. Now the last setting what you have to change, that is layout. Here you have to tap on this button and symbol layout, and from default you have to change the alternative and tap on this apply. It will redirect to the back page. Go to the back option. Now from here go to the back and come to the starting page again. Now my friend, all the settings has been done. After that you have to check either your FRP lock has been bypassed or not. So simply you have to tap on this start option, agree to all and agree. Go to the more and agree. Now after that you have to tap on this next option. Select this, don't copy. So here you can see now you're getting here skip option in your Samsung Android smartphone. Now you can easily skip this page from this skip button. It means your FRP lock has been completely bypassed. Simply tap on this skip and skip from this page. Go to more and accept. Now here you will have to draw a pattern, pin or password lock, whatever you want. It's mandatory, otherwise your previous lock will be activated again. Go to the next. Skip from this page. You will get a pop-up that you are all set up. Simply you have to tap on this finish. Okay, agree. Now select your language. Continue. And finish. So here you can see the Samsung Android smartphone has been completely pin, pattern and password unlocked, and the main thing is that your phone is also here FRP bypassed. So if this video helped you to bypass your FRP lock of your Samsung Android smartphone, then do the like this video, and if you got any issues in this method then make us comment. We will definitely respond on your comments. So thank you so much.